Hi, I'm Braden Milner with Florida Future Realty. If you're looking to sell your home and want to maximize your profits while minimizing stress, you've come to the right place. When you choose me as your realtor, you're not getting a traditional agent. I utilize cutting-edge online marketing strategies and state-of-the-art technology to ensure your home stands out from the competition. Every home I list includes the highest quality photo and video tours capturing the essence of your property and attracting the perfect buyer. But I don't stop there. My expertise in online marketing means your home gets seen by the most potential buyers. I go the extra mile running targeted ads, email campaigns, and social media videos, all while tapping into my extensive database of well-qualified buyers. It's not just about marketing your home though. I'm dedicated to making the entire transaction a stress-free experience for you. From the moment I list your property, I'll handle every detail of the transaction, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your life and your family. So, are you ready to experience the difference and sell your home for top dollar? Call me today at 239-634-8639 or email me at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also fill out the form below. I'll be in touch shortly. In the meantime, stay tuned. Here's an example of the awesome marketing that I do with every single listing complimentary. Enjoy.